welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the October Glossybox. So this box is $21 US a month, and I think that this month is one of two special design boxes. So let's see which one we got. Okay, so oh wow,
look at that.
So the Beauty Tales, this is Enchanted Spirit. And it's got a nice feel to it, like a different texture than it usually does. Yeah. That's a really pretty box. So let's open it up and see what we got. Always lovely packaging. So the other box, it looks like, would have been Midnight Fantasy. So we've got our card to tell us everything that we have received. And then nice gold. I love their packaging.
I like gold.
I like gold. That movie was so terrible. Okay, so this is what we have inside. I can't really see because I don't have my glasses on, but it looks like a lot of skincare.
It's like 3 things. Oh, that's probably a mask down there.
Hopefully it's more than 3 things. Feel this box. It feels weird.
Oh, weird. It's like there's something, like some kind of cream on it or something.
Yeah, some kind of weird coating.
Does it smell weird? It does kind of have a... Smell it. Smell the box.
Yeah.
There is cream on it, I think. I wonder if that's supposed to be on there. Like maybe the one above it broke and leaked onto that box or something.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know.
So first item is from Earth Harbor. It says Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule of Sea Greens and Cannabis Sativa Hemp.
Oh.
Ooh. So it's a soothing ethereal, I think. Ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. Well, that's a big claim.
Wow, how'd they do that?
Don't know. Give your precious like what?
Like a fishing net, just scooped her, put it in there.
Give your precious face luminous superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil and pacifying meadow foam seed oil and grape seed oil. Aurora is simply the most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while inducing dewy radiance. Well, this sounds
Did you say inducing exciting. Dewy radiance?
That's what it says.
Oh.
On the inside it says dive into glowing skin.
Oh, it's like a, okay.
So it is a glass bottle. Really pretty color.
Yeah. Not
the bottle, but the product.
So that you just like it's an oil you put on your skin and then
you
put on your face?
Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed.
Oh, okay.
Using another treatment in our moisturizer, massage, and Aurora until absorbed. For a daily skincare cocktail, add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum, facial oil, or moisturizer morning and night. I
had a thing of like a beard oil that came in like the exact same kind of package.
It's got a very unique scent. I like it.
Yeah, that smells like the box actually.
Yeah.
So maybe it did leak a little bit.
It doesn't look like it leaked though.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Maybe not that one, but the other one.
So that is item number 1. I love a good oil or
can you use it on your
ethereal glow
beard? So that my beard has an ethereal glow.
You could try it on your beard. It doesn't say don't put it
of the Aurora Borealis.
So it is plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman-owned. Lovely. So that's item number 1. All right, item number 2 is from Generation Clay, and it is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. So apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off the mask in circular motions, and lightly pat your skin dry.
Okay.
I love a good face mask. I have got a basket.
That's like clay inside there?
Yeah.
From a volcano? Is that what it said? Or?
It just says brightening purple clay mask. It doesn't say what it's from.
Okay.
But it might say
volcanic
it's from Australia,
clay is a thing,
this brand. It might say in the thing.
Yeah, we'll have to research that.
Do you want to touch it? So that's what, it's like a purplish gray. Brown.
It's bubbling. Ooh.
You want to feel it?
I don't want to feel it.
You should sit over here so people can see you too. You have a nice face.
Your viewership might go down if I was in there.
But you have a nice face.
Oh, thanks.
That's item number 2. Next up is what you think was the sheet mask, and you are correct. So it's from Ona, New York.
Ona.
Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. These guys are killing me with all these weird names today.
Okay.
Niacinamide and willow bark extract reduce environmental damage and restore youthful glow. Centella asiatica and tea tree oil soothe stressed skin and even out skin tone. This gel mask fits your face comfortably and stays in place, making it easy to wear on the go.
You gotta have the Centella asiatica, gel mask, I think.
And it's one of my favorite kind of masks, the kind that you don't have to rinse off. You just pat it
Peel
into
it
your
off?
skin.
Oh, it like
once you're
absorbs
done.
into your face.
Yeah,
Wow.
so you put on the mask,
And it
apply to your
disappears.
face. No, it doesn't disappear. So you take it off, and then you just pat the excess
All the
into your
stuff.
skin.
Oh, yeah.
Love a good sheet mask. I should really show you guys my skincare basket. It's a little insane. Okay, next up. Probably it looks like a little lipstick.
Oh. I like the tube.
So I think it's from Kat Von D.
It doesn't say that on there. It says, can I see it?
It says KVB. KVD. I think.
Yeah, it says KVD. Sorry. Yep.
So it's Kat Von D. And it is in the shade Lovecraft.
Oh, Lovecraft.
It is a tiny little baby lipstick. So I'm going to guess this is a deluxe sample size. It's a pretty color. Ooh,
Goes on your lips.
that is a really nice
Goes
color.
on well.
Yes, it is. Did swatch nicely. It's got a nice smell to it. Sweet smell.
I think that color would look good on you. So.
I think it would. Do you want me to try it?
You already have like 4 lipsticks on.
I have 2. Can we take it off?
No, it's alright.
All right. So this is item 4. Item 4. Okay, it looks like this is our last item. It's from Ciate London. And it is an extraordinary translucent powder. Ooh, a loose translucent setting powder. Perfect. You never get setting powders. Well, translucent powder. And it was open a little bit, so.
So it's like a foundation or something? Or?
It just goes on top of your skin to like take away your nice healthy glow, you know?
Why would you want to take away your nice healthy
Well,
glow?
sometimes I get like really oily here.
Like,
take away your
gotcha. Like the shine or whatever.
Yeah. So it is translucent, which is nice for all skin tones. So that is very exciting.
Oop, sorry.
Okay, so that's our those are our items. I felt like there wasn't a lot.
It's like 5 of them.
I know, but like a sheet mask shouldn't.
I thought you were talking it up when you were.
I know I like sheet masks, but this shouldn't count as a whole item. Come on now.
It's a whole mask.
It is a whole mask. Should we pick our favorites?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the Ciate London translucent powder.
Okay.
And then the Kat Von D lipstick. And then this Aurora oil.
Yeah.
And then these 2, I like masks in general, so these will be tied. And now let's find out how much everything cost. Okay, so here is our price guide, and it looks like we got 2 full-size items and 3 deluxe minis.
Okay.
So the Kat Von D, or KVD, I think that there was some sort of controversy. Jason, there's a lot of controversies in the beauty community. I didn't even know.
What is it?
I don't know. I should probably look into that. But so this is KVD Beauty. And this is a deluxe mini, and it is $14.
I'm pretty sure she is or was married to Dead Mouse.
Dead Moth 5?
Dead Mouse 5, yeah. Little side note there.
And then the Ona New York is full size and is $9. The Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule is full size and it's $32.
Good price.
The Generation Clay Purple Clay Mask is a deluxe mini and it is $14.44. And finally is the Ciate London Translucent Setting Powder is deluxe mini and it is $18.98. What's our total?
$88.42.
$88 American. I paid $21. I mean, it's okay. I mean, we just finished filming.
I'm excited to try that Aurora Borealis thing on, like, as a
Yeah.
beard oil. See what it does.
We just finished filming Box Charm, and it's $25 a month, and the box was valued at $180. So this is a little, I don't know, a little bit disappointing, but I still liked it. I wish that we got, eyeshadow palettes. There should be an eyeshadow palette in every box, I think. So yeah.
You don't pick the items in Glossybox, do you? You pick which kind. Yeah.
No, I don't pick any from this box. No. Yeah. Yeah. So that was October's Glossybox, and it was alright. It was okay. And yes, thank you all for watching. You learned some new things about something from my husband, about the Kat Von D.
Oh yeah.
And if you want my liking, you can do that down here. If you want to subscribe, you can do that by clicking here. And there should be more videos for your viewing pleasure here and here. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.